me when to start. Today on Crazy Grandpa Does Stuff, we're going to make some coffee in the automatic coffee maker. First, we open the coffee lid to expose where the filter goes. We have some filters here. We will insert a filter into the filter holder. Next, we're going to have to put some coffee in there, so we'll go to the cabinet and we'll get some coffee. This coffee was bought at Fred Meyer's and it's pre-ground. Through experience, it tells me that we need at least, for the size cup we're making, we need at least a full scoop of coffee. So now that that's done, next we're going to have to add some water to the coffee maker. We're going to be running this time around probably 4 to 5 cups. So we'll rinse out the coffee pot and then we'll put some fresh cold water in it. When enough water's in the coffee maker, then we will dump it into the back of the coffee pot. On the side of the coffee pot, there's actually marks on the side of the coffee maker that tell you how much water we're putting in. So today we will put about 5 cups worth in. Get rid of the excess water that we don't need. Then we will insert the coffee pot in underneath in its spot in the coffee maker and we'll turn it on. And that is how we make coffee on today's episode of Crazy Grandpa Does Stuff.